In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete domain in GoDaddy, quick and easy. Before we start, a quick note, deleting a domain is permanent. If that domain is connected to a website, email, or DNS records you care about, those services will stop working. If you only need to remove DNS records but keep the registration, you'll want the delete zones option later on. With that in mind, let's go step by step. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. Head to the main dashboard and look to the top right corner. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This is where GoDaddy groups everything you own: domains, hosting, email, and more. In the My Products page, find the Domain section. Click Manage All. This opens the Domain Control Center, which gives you a complete view of your domain portfolio and the tools you need to make changes. Inside the Domain Control Center, go to the Portfolio view. Here you'll see a list of all your domains, along with their status and renewal details. Find the domain or domains you want to remove and click the checkbox next to each one. Selecting multiple domains lets you perform the same action on all of them at once. Now choose what you want to remove. Select either Delete Domain or Delete Zones. Delete Domain permanently cancels the domain registration and removes it from your account. Use this when you're sure you no longer need the name. Delete Zones only removes the DNS zone file, your records like A, CNAME, and MX, while leaving the domain itself active in your account. That option is helpful if you're switching DNS providers or starting fresh with new records. When you choose to delete, GoDaddy will show a consent screen. Read the message carefully, check the box confirming you understand the consequences, and then select Continue. Once confirmed, the action begins. Keep in mind that domain deletions can't be undone, and the domain may become available for others to register after processing. If you have domain protection enabled, GoDaddy will prompt you to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions. This typically involves entering a security code from your chosen verification method. This extra step helps prevent accidental or unauthorized changes. That's it. After you complete the verification, GoDaddy processes the request, and your selection, either the domain itself or just its DNS zone, is removed. If you're cleaning up your account, this is a quick way to stay organized. And if you're unsure, consider exporting DNS records or reviewing auto-renew settings before you delete, so you don't lose anything important.